Hello again, YTPC, Northeast Pipe UK here. Can't believe what a difference it is in the weather. It was absolute torrential earlier, and now within a couple of hours it's nice and dry and sun's out. You cannot wait up. So I thought I'd better come up here and have a check, see how things are. It's leaked in a little bit, which I was expecting anyway. So, but actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Cat-free video. Though I am getting the hairy eyeballs from the conservatory window. Yeah, I thought I'd recap on this mellow mixture, the Orlick. When I smoked it in the Maya early, towards the end of the smoke, I was getting a bit of a bite from it. So I thought I'd give it a go in a 9mm pipe and see what it's like. And so far, touch wood, we seem to be going okay. I can understand why it's called mellow, because it is. It's definitely more mellow than the Dragon Flake, and a hell of a lot more mellow than the actual Captain Black Midnight Gold. That's just like OTT cherry, that stuff. You can taste it on your tongue, definitely on the retro hill. So what I'm going to do with this, because I've already opened the Dragon Flake and I've been smoking that sort of this month, I'm going to put this to the side and keep this for August, because I don't want to really be smoking sort of two cherry aromatics more or less at the same time, because if I'm smoking that, I think it'll affect how I think about this one. So what I might do is put this away for now, keep it for August, keep going with the Dragon Flake for the rest of this month, and then I think I'll maybe open the Captain Black Sea for July, because I know that's a Latakia. Like I said, I didn't realise this was going to be an aromatic. I thought it was just going to be a plain Virginia Burley tobacco. So pleasantly surprised. Didn't get any feelings of a nicotine hit from it earlier, but then again sort of finished my rehabilitation exercises, so I was a bit befuddled anyway, so I'll probably get a truer reading from this one tonight. See if I get any sort of lightheadedness or nausea feeling. But yeah, don't know if you can see, but it burns really nice. Nice grey ash. It's burned quite consistently. I never had no issues earlier on with any leftovers in the bottom, no dottle or anything. It's just a nice overall smoke, I have to say. Really enjoying it. Trouble is when you're smoking tobaccos now, that I'm trying to not watch other presenters' thoughts on these tobaccos until I've actually smoked them myself, because I want it to be a bit of a surprise when I actually do it. So luckily I haven't really watched any videos on anybody's reviews on this, and again, I know people have been smoking the Captain Black Sea, the sort of being things put on Instagram, etc. So again, I'm holding off, trying not to watch the video, because I want my experience to be sort of like totally out of the blue and not influenced in any way from anybody else's views. So again, I fell in lucky with this one, and definitely the Dragon Flake. I know a couple of people commented and sort of said what their thoughts were on it when I first got it, but luckily I haven't really watched any reviews on them, which obviously once I've smoked them I can. The great thing about these tobaccos is that if you've had a meal and you want to skip dessert, then they are a nice alternative to come out and watch your waistline and enjoy a bowl of this. But the really big meals I keep the cigar blends for. Been checking to make sure Stumpy's in his nest. He's a club-footed pigeon that built a nest in the tree last year because he couldn't grip onto the branches, and he's come back this year and he's in there now. But I'm not sure if Stumpy's a he or a she, but either way, it looks like they've brought somebody with them this year, because there's the two of them together, so it'd be interesting if there's any chicks in the nest. I don't know if there's any Terry Pratchett or Neil Gaiman fans, but if you have Amazon, check out Good Omens. Really good. I've not really been a fan of the books, but I did get Good Omens a few months ago because I knew they were making the TV series of it, and I really enjoyed American Gods. And they had it on special offer for the Kindle, so I thought, well, you know, I'll give it a try, and I really couldn't put it down, which is making us think about getting some more of the Terry Pratchett books, because you're sort of talking 30 years ago when I tried to pick them up, but at that time I was more into me horrors and thrillers than sort of comedy type stuff. So I might have a punt on a couple of other books. But yes, they've done the series of the book Good Omens, and it's absolutely brilliant. I've just finished watching a second viewing of it today. Really good. A couple of little changes to the book, which really you expect. But I was reading online earlier that, I mean, it's really done well. It's getting fantastic reviews, and it did sort of end where there could be maybe further adventures of the two main characters. But I was reading today that Neil Gaiman's sort of said that he's not going to write the second series because he's wanting to concentrate back on novels. So that to me sounds that there's going to be a second series in the cards, but who'll write it, I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see. And if they do make it, hopefully it'll be as good as this one. What a nice way to finish your Friday. Probably wondering where I am with the treats because I haven't been out the last couple of days. Well, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching. I hope wherever you are, you're safe, you're well, and you're happy. You're enjoying a bowl. You want to get yourselves ready for a great weekend. So, look after yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.